Click the Collapse button on the left sidebar of the workspace. You can expand or collapse the team project list. Click the plus aside from the space name. You can create project for the current list. Unfold the ellipsis icon for more settings on the right side of the project file. You can start a new whiteboard file under the current project by clicking the Create File option. If select Create Folder, then you will create a new subfolder under the current project. Select Rename to modify the current project name. Select Settings, and you can set user permissions for the project, which is divided into public projects and private projects. Click Change to Public/Private Project to modify current project permissions. In private project mode, click Add Team Member in the upper right corner, and you can add team members to the private projects and start private project authorization. Go back to the More Settings list. Select View Project Members, and click the drop-down box option on the right side of the team member. You can set the user's permission for managing, editing, and viewing, and also remove the user from private projects. Select Delete Project to put this file into the trash recycle bin.